Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 𝐘𝐨𝐿. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you how I revamp my own hair so you can just get the idea and know how it's been done. Yes, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to like, comment and share with your loved ones. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. So I hope you enjoy. So to start with, I'm going to be putting my water inside the bath. I'm going to be using this bath to wash it. So after putting the water, I'll go ahead and put my wave on. Before I put the wave on inside the water, I want to make sure I brush the hair just to make sure the hair is not having any tangle, because it depends on the kind of hair you're washing. If you're washing woman hair, is better once water touches it, it's light, it does not tangle. But when you are washing a blended hair, it's so difficult. When water touches, you just discover that it's going to be so much there will be so much tangle on the hair. So it's advisable to brush before you put inside the water. So when you do that, when you put the hair inside the water, after brushing, you put the hair inside water, you go ahead and put your soap and start washing the hair. You're not going to scrub the hair, you're not scrubbing it like you're washing clothes. You're just going to dip it inside water and then use your hand to, like, from the top of the hair to the down part, you just keep putting your hand like so, just to make sure you're washing the hair. And then for the net, you can just use your hand to rub the net and rub it well so all the dirt goes out of it. You're not going to scrub. If you scrub, the hair will be so tangled. I'm going to be washing it 2 to 3 times. It depends on the hair. Some hair, they are so dirty, and when it's dirty like that, you will discover when you put your shampoo inside the water and you're washing, it does not foam at all. That way you know the hair is so dirty, and the water as well will be dirty. So you want to go ahead and wash it until you discover that yes, your shampoo is now foaming well. So that's what I'm going to do. After washing 2 to 3 times, I'll rinse them out with a clean water. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm trying to rinse it out. So when I rinse it out, I'll go ahead and brush it the little way I can, making sure the hair is there's no tangle on the hair. This particular hair I was washing, these 2 hairs I was washing, they are not good quality hairs at all. So it's like a blended hair, and that is why I'm trying to, like, brush it and make sure there's no tangle on the hair. Like I said earlier, if you're washing a blended hair, you want to be very careful, because it tangles so easily. Even inside the water, it tangles. So I'll go ahead and then put my conditioner on the hair and start brushing it out. So I'll brush it and brush it until I discover it's smooth. So when it's smooth, I'll just go ahead and put it inside my bag. So I'll be putting the hair inside a nylon bag. After putting it inside the nylon bag, I'll let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll come back and rinse the conditioner out of the hair and let it dry. So those clips of me putting the hair, rinsing the hair and then putting it in the sun, I did not show it here. I lost the clip. So I'm just telling you guys what I did after. Then the next one you'll be seeing is how the hair looks like when it's dry and ready to style. Here is what the gold hair is looking like when it's completely dry. So here is me, I'm trying to, like, style it here. So as you can see, this is what the hair looks like now. So we are going to be working on it. So the method I'm going to be using on this one is still the same method I'll be using on the black hair. So this point, I'm just going to section the hair. I'll be working on the hair in section. So I'll take the back side, I'll start from the back side, I'll go ahead and section the hair, comb it out, my savior to this hair is that I don't let it sit for long before combing it out, because it tangles faster. Like I told you, oh, this hair is not a good 100% human hair. It's like a synthetic hair, so I'm just working with it with care. So the care I'm doing is for me to keep brushing it out and making sure the tangle is free. So after doing that, I will use my heat protector to spray on the hair and then start using my hair straightener to straighten the hair. So before I straighten any hair, I'll make sure I put my hair straightener. So here is what the back side is looking like after straightening. So I'll go ahead and keep um, doing them in sections. So this is what one side is looking like, and I'm just going to go ahead and work on the other side and show you guys what it is. So here is how the hair is after working and straightening the hair. So I'm going to take it out from this mannequin's head and put it on the other mannequin I have. So after doing it, I will brush it, and as you guys can see, the hair is not leveled. One side is shorter than the other side, so I'll go ahead and trim that part with my scissors. So after trimming, this is what the hair is giving, and I hope you all enjoy this video. So here is it for this gold. I'll go again and work on the black one and show you guys the finished look. So the method I use here is still the same method I use on the black side. So I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. So here is what the hair is looking like. I hope you all enjoy this video. This is the black one, and you guys already see the gold one. Yes, so if you do watch and enjoy the video, please consider subscribing, turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.